Right, so it's come to my attention the other day another possible fault area in the VFR 800 and its stupendous electrical system. Unfortunately though, this might be on a few more vehicles as well, so I don't think this is just related to it. But I've had some electrical issues with this and I've been fixing them bit by bit by bit. We're almost there, which I think we are there, but then this was brought to my attention the other day. I had no idea about this. I haven't even checked this area yet. I'm just going to check mine now. However, before, as soon as it came to my attention, I thought I'd check her old one. This had to replace because the wires broke on it. It just came all frayed and they had to be broken. I was like, right, let's check the inside. So this one, I was mortified. I was absolutely mortified. This was the condition of it. These are the main wires, so see this wire is going from your starter relay on the VFR 800. It carries the current. Believe me, yes, it's not actually hooked to the main wire. It goes through your starter relay first before coming to here. But yeah, that's the state of it. That was the state of it. Broken wires. Oh, icky, corroded. That's the one going to the bike. Or it's the other way around, I'm not too sure. But either way, one comes from the battery, and the other one gives power to quite a lot of things. This one here, this blue and yellow one, that's for the fan, so that powers the fan, the cooling fan. But as you can see, it's not looking good at all. These are in a mess. I'm surprised the ignition even worked like this. It's probably why I was getting a load of issues to begin with. But I didn't even know this until just the other day. So, you join me now. I check my Levy's current one. I've just saved everyone the issue of getting the bolts out. If you do want to do this in your VFR 800, I highly recommend checking it. You get your handlebars off, so you take your handlebars off, get to your bottom triple tray, take the nut off as if you were doing a steering head bearing adjustment. Underneath you'll come to these. This is the bottom side of your ignition. There's 2 bolts here, so you need to remove, which are removed using, there we go, it's right in front of me. It's a Torx set, but it's one of them tamper-proof ones. It's got the little hole in the middle. So if you've got the right size Torx, just drill a hole in it, or just get the set. But you join me as I check it now. I'm not looking forward to this. Let me just get the bolts out so I don't lose them. But I am not looking forward to this. You think good or bad? Good or bad? Oh, okay. I'm happy at that. They're actually in good nick. A little bit dirty if I'm being very picky. I don't see any broken yet. I've had a closer look. But happily, this taken bearing account, this bike's almost at 100,000. It's a very old bike. Seen a lot and done a lot. Yeah, they actually look not too bad actually. Surprisingly, there's a little bit of corrosion. If I look closer, there's a little tiny bit of corrosion, but I'm being very picky here. I don't think there's any broken contacts. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. No, I don't think it's broken. Yeah, surprisingly, I'm good there. However, if that's just dirt, yeah, it's actually dirt, it's not burning. I think, yeah, it looks good. But surprisingly, mine's good. However, I highly recommend anyone with this kind of ignition, check it. Because you saw on the other one, it wasn't good, so hopefully when you do go to check it, yours is like that and not, yeah. But thankfully I've got to this before anything damaged it. I can put some grease on it and whatnot, give it proper protection. That is a sigh of relief. But see, the problem I have here is the bit I don't like about it. Because it's not fully sealed. I mean, when this is on, this is the issue I'm having. So I don't like it. I don't like the design at all. You know me for rating Yamahas, wiring people, but that's kind of how it is down. Big hole here. A nice big hole there just to let all the dirt and crap into there. You can even see inside. And the scary thing is, now I know what I'm doing, if I went in there with a piece of metal, I could jump this bike. Although it's got a immobiliser, but still, you just have to get around the immobiliser, but still, that's half the battle done very easily. But yeah, I just thought I'd put this one up for everyone to check out. Again, hope yours ain't as bad as that one's. Till next time.